Hi, I'm Emma Gordon. I'm a fashion stylist and I'm a huge fan of wearing denim, especially jeans. We have a huge selection here at QVC and I have got 3 very glamorous models wearing 3 different pairs of jeans to show you how to choose the best jeans for you. We have a fabulous selection of jeans for all different tastes and all different body shapes. Let's have a look at the variety of jeans we have at QVC. We have everything from skinny leg, like these jeans here from Apricot. We've got bootleg, we've got straight leg. We have got wonderful selection of boyfriend fit. So whatever you're looking for, we've got it covered here at QVC. Now let's go through what everyone's wearing so we can find out what jeans work best for you. Lauren is 5'10". She's a size 18. She has a wonderful figure. It's an hourglass, but more of a pear too. So we really wanted to accentuate her wonderful figure. And you can do that by balance. It's all about balancing out your body shape and proportions. So with the boot cut, you can see at the bottom, the boot cut comes out. It works beautifully with flats, wonderful with jeans, but equally with a pair of high courts. And the great thing about these jeans is they've got a last stain in them. They've also got this wonderful technology, which is really going to nip you in as well, round the front and the back. Do you want to turn around and I'll have a look? At the back here, you can see it really fits beautifully because of that last stain and that technology round the back area. Fantastic pocket placements too. You'll see that these really work well for her. Now, I love the styling of this, just really paired back with a wonderful blue Bendelisi shirt like I'm wearing. We're twinning. Yeah. Then in the middle, we've got Sasha. Now, Sasha is 5'7". She's size 14 and has a wonderful hourglass figure. Now, you're in the Marilyn NYDJ straight leg jeans. You look fantastic in these jeans, Sasha. How do you feel?
Really good, because I love the fact they've got a bit of stretch, so they fit well, but they've also got the structure, so
yes,
they're not baggy.
No, exactly. So they really are accentuating your wonderful figure. And if you're looking for a new pair of jeans and you're not quite sure what pair to go for, safe bet is straight leg jeans. So again, you've got that lovely pocket placement. It fits really beautifully, really accentuating Sasha's curves. And then it's the straight leg the whole way down. We've got this fantastic, lovely plimsoll trainer by Hush Puppies at the bottom, giving a really classic and cool look. And we've really paired back this outfit with a fresh white Bendelisi t-shirt and keeping it double denim, which is really cool and on point right now. Then moving on, we've got Wada, last but not least, looking absolutely fantastic. Now, these are a boyfriend fit jean, but they're an updater on that by Bendelisi. They're a barrel fit jean. And what we mean by that is they're slightly accentuated in their shape. It's slightly cropped at the bottom. And what a pair of jeans like this does is it accentuates her body shape. It really creates this wonderful curvation. Now, Wada is very much like my shape. She is straight up and down. She's got a bit of a curve, more of a pear shape. So if you turn back round, we can see again, this is a mid-rise jean. It's a relaxed fit. So if you're looking for a more cool, casual, edgy jean, these are the ones to go for. Now, finally, let's have a look at what I'm wearing. So I've chosen actually a white pair of jeans. It's an off-white. It's from Selected Femme, a fantastic Danish fashion brand. And I've teamed that with this gorgeous blazer here as well. Now, I've got a rhubarb figure, so I'm pretty straight up and down. I really want to accentuate my waist. And because of the balance of the blazer, it really is creating more of an hourglass figure, which is what I want. Kept it casual and cool, wearing a pair of trainers, but if I wanted to wear it more elevated for the evening, I'd simply pop on a pair of coloured courts and I'm good to go.